Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the day's trades here on Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. We started the day off with trading crude oil here right around 9 o'clock. And we caught an up move as the market was trickling down here. And it reversed. The auto trader got long here. 3 contracts, we hit our first profit target, and the other 2 got stopped out, so we got some gains. Then we get a trend reversal here, and we get short, and the price action was really slow and wasn't really selling off, just going sideways. So our first target got hit, and then our trail stop basically got us out of the trade on the sideways sloppiness. And then that was it for crude oil, because lately it seems after the first, from 9 to 9:30 to 10:30 or so, it's moving in a really tight range. So we focused on the NQ, and let's take a look at our NQ trades. If something's not moving, you can't trade it. So that's why we ignored crude oil, and then later in the day it did have a tank because, or as I call it, a dive alert, as crude's just been going up every day, and it just had to give, and today it gave and sold off nicely. So let's look at our NQ trades. So here is our first trade on the NQ, and as I say, in trading, history repeats itself, and just like yesterday, today was basically a history lesson in trading. Same thing happened again. Basically here we peak at a high, market can't go no higher. We start the auto trader in an uptrend. Auto trader gets short 3 contracts. First and second targets are hit, and then our runner is coming down. Here's our trail stop keeping us in the trade, and we hit our profit goal. And so the first NQ trade is out of the way, and we're on to the next one. Now, you don't really want to jump into a trade right away after you just had a nice trade like we did on this first NQ trade here. You want to let the market open up, move around a little, see what the trend is. You just don't want to be firing off trades with the auto trader, even though it does all the work. You want, when you're in Vegas or you're playing, blackjack, you want the dealer to show its hand. So you want to read the market for the next 5 or 10 minutes. Let it get through the first 15 minutes and get a read on it. What's it telling you? What is the chart showing you? Are we trending higher? Are we trending lower? And so let's look at the next trade. So we let the market show its hand, and it was pretty much topping out. I started the auto trader right here as it was completing another lower high here on an uptrend, and I just missed the flush here. And so usually when you get a flush like this, you get a strong reversal, and so no need to get upset of missing the big down move, because there's always an up move after a down move, and that's exactly what happened here. Market reversed on 3 contracts. First and second targets are hit, and those are pretty much the targets that I outlined in the video that I did last week. And then our runner gets us out with the max daily gain and a little slippage to the upside because the market was burning here. So instead of 540 goal, we hit 570. So again, this is the same pattern that repeated yesterday. Market topped out, went into resistance, and then flush and rebound. So as I always say, patterns repeat, and this is exactly what happened. Then here is a new indicator we come out with called the Opening Range Breakout Indicator. You can go to our website here, Trading123.net, click Indicators, and then look for the Opening Range Breakout. So basically, this is a new indicator that we just developed, spent the past 4 months working on it, perfecting it. And basically, it works off of identifying the opening range breakout. And here we had a trade on the ES. It broke out to the highs. We got price targets set on 3 contracts, and basically it hit all 3 price targets, profit targets, and we ended up with a $737 gain. Now this indicator also has advanced Fibonacci levels above and below it that come into play each and every day. Let's look at them here. So what is the opening range breakout? It'll tell you all about it right there. And then here's another trade we did the other day. And this one was to the short side. We got the fib levels worked in with the opening range breakout. Price action sells off. We're trading 3 contracts here of the ES, and our target was the 61.8 fib. And basically it hit that, and we hit our goal 487.50. So very powerful indicator that you can use to trade each day the opening range. And like I said, the fib levels go, how many levels are there here? So here's the fib levels, a breakout of the ES. They're all identified here, and they can be customized, and you can edit these and make them to any configuration of any fib level you want. But we got the basic numbers in there all the way up to 377. This is 300. So there's 9 different fib levels, which is very powerful. And as you see, opening range breakout right there. So go over to our webpage, check it out. Very powerful indicator, doesn't lag. It moves off the price volume for the breakouts and breakdowns. The charts identify all the levels for you that you'll need to use throughout the day, and it's very accurate as to where the price action goes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Patrick, head trader, Trading123.net. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and social media here on YouTube for more trading tips. Hope you have a good trading day, and see you in the next video.